Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this very simple dollar origami heart. This is not too difficult. You'll be able to make it really quick. Kind of a cool little thing if you wanted to drop into a card and give it to your husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. Oh, he loves me. Or, hey, maybe it's that cute little waitress that served you at the restaurant. You want to give her a nice little tip. Maybe more than $5. Give her 20. It's an idea. Tell me what you think. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to take a dollar bill and we're going to fold this in half, making sure our corners are lined up, and we'll give that a good crease. And then we will open this up. Now we're going to take this side and we're going to fold it along that crease we just made. So we're going to go ahead and pick that up, and I'm going to right along that crease and then crease that down. Now I'm going to take this side and do the same thing. So I'll match that up right there and crease this down. Okay, this is what we have so far. Now we're going to flip this over, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this top side here and we're going to bend this. So we're going to take this top edge and fold it along this center crease. So there, crease that down. We'll do the same thing to this side. We'll line that up right next to the other one and crease that down. Okay. Now we're going to rotate this sideways. And what we're going to do is we're going to lift this up and we're going to take this top part, leave the lower part, and then we're going to take this edge and fold it along this edge here of the triangle. Okay, so I'm going to fold this, and then I'll do it by lining up the center creases. So I'm going to start there, get that crease there, make sure the paper is lined up, and then when we get down to the end, we're going to do a little squash fold. So before we crease it down though, we're going to make sure that this line here is vertical, goes straight up and down, just to kind of make a good symmetrical heart, like that. We'll do the same thing to this side. So we're going to make sure the paper is lined up here, open this up, and you can use a pen, you can use a butter knife, whatever it takes, and then you do a little squash fold at the end. You make sure it's lined up. And then you crease it down. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to take this lower part here, this flap down here, and then we're going to take this inside edge here and we're going to fold it along this edge. And we're going to do the same thing to both sides. So we're going to go in here, crease that down, do the same thing on this side. Crease that down. Now when we flip this over, there we have our simple dollar origami heart. Okay, hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, please click on the like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.